Hey there, here's a really good question that we get asked all the time from business owners. Since we're using Microsoft 365, they're backing up our data for us, right? It's a really good question, but unfortunately, the answer is no. Let me explain. Microsoft 365 operates under what they call a shared responsibility model. That means they're responsible for keeping the lights on and keeping things like Teams, Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, all that operational, but they believe and state in their contracts that you're responsible for recoverability. Microsoft keeps the lights on, but they cannot guarantee that your files will be recoverable if something happens. Now, Microsoft does have things like recycle bins, retention periods, version history, and all those are really helpful tools, but they're temporary. They're really limited in scope, and they won't be able to help you if your data, your files, your emails age out past a retention period or if they're permanently deleted. Here's other scenarios that Microsoft won't protect you from: accidental deletion, ransomware, where maybe a hacker encrypts your entire data store, a disgruntled employee that deletes everything on the way out the door, an admin making a simple mistake that changes the retention period down to 0 days, for example, or realizing months down the road that you may have accidentally deleted that email that you need or a whole folder out of your OneDrive. If it's past Microsoft's retention period, it's gone. That's why we at Turnkey Solutions really recommend a third-party independent backup system for your Microsoft 365 environment. This will give you the ability to have independent backups, long-term retention, or forever retention if your legal or compliance mandates require that. It'll give you the ability to recover to a specific point in time that you may need for a specific project, or it'll give the ability to recover really quickly. Your third-party backup will give you the ability to recover your own files as fast as you want to. So here's the key takeaway. Microsoft 365 protects the availability, but you're responsible for protecting the recoverability of your data. If you truly want to protect your Microsoft 365 data like Teams, Exchange, files that you have in SharePoint or OneDrive or any of the other platforms that they've built into the 365 ecosystem, you need to put in place an independent third-party backup program. Call us anytime here at Turnkey Solutions. We'd love to share with you what we're using for our clients and help navigate some of the complexities around backing up your 365 data or anything else.